Morning, children. I hope you all are hale and hearty. Today, I am going to teach you or comparison and ordering of decimals. Before that, do you know what are like decimals? And why am I teaching like decimals? Okay, before that, I will tell you one thing. This is 25.12. This is a decimal number, and you know one property of decimal, that after the last digit of decimal part, you can increase as many zeros as you can. The way you can increase before whole number. We can write before whole number and after decimal part as many zeros as I can. It will not affect our number. The value of the number will remain same. So like decimals are when the digits after decimals 2.51, 2.512, 2.5123. So here I have 4 digits after decimal. So if I make same number of digits after decimal, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now the number of digits after decimal are same, then we call it like decimal. Okay. Now you must be thinking, why am I teaching you like decimals? You know, children, if you change your numbers into like decimals, that means after decimal number of digits are same, then addition, subtraction and comparison, ordering, it will become very easy. Comparison. When you see comparison, we start from whole number part. This is my whole number part, 32 and 3. So if whole number part, one part is bigger, then straight away you will compare, because then you need not to see decimal part because whole number part is bigger. Then 1.672, 1.627. Here my whole number is same. Then you will start comparing from the first digit after decimal. 6 same. Now 7, 2. Which one is bigger? 7 is bigger. Okay, we always start from the first digit of decimal. Then 2.520, 2.50. Okay, again the first digit, that means whole number is same. First digit after decimal is same. 2, 0. Which one is bigger? 2. If I have 1.69 and 1.690, you must be thinking 1.690 is bigger. No. First you will convert into like decimals. Like decimal, that means here I have 3 digits. Here also I will make 3 digits. Okay. Now compare 1.690, 1.690. So actually they are equal. Why? Because after making it like decimals, we can see the 0 doesn't have any values. Rest of the number is same. Now here also 25.1, 25.175. Convert into like decimal, 3 digits, 3 digits. Now compare. Whole number is same, whole number is same. 1 is same, 1 is same. 7, 0. Which one is bigger? 7 is bigger. Now this was comparison. If you have understood comparison, you can easily do ascending and descending order. Now let's see arranging ascending order. That means first you will write the smaller number, then to bigger number. This also we will do in the same way. First change them into like decimals. 3 digits after decimal, 3 digit after decimal, 2 digit after decimal, 1 digit after decimal. So I will see maximum number is 3. So I will write 3 digits here also. That means 040 and 400. We will increase 0 to make like decimal. Now 3 digit after decimal, 3 digit after decimal, 3 digit after decimal, 3 digit after decimal. Now whole number you will see first 4, 4, 4, 4. Whole number is same. First digit after decimal is 4. 0, 0, 4. Okay. Now after this we will see that 0, 0 is smaller. So if we will compare between these two. Okay. Because 4 is big, 4 is big. So अब छोटे वाले लेंगे तो 0, 0 we will see they are same. Now we will see second digit of only these two. So 0 is smaller and 4 is bigger. So write 2 over there. Okay. 1 here, 2 here. As out of these two, this is small. Now we have these two where I have 4 in the first digit of decimal part. Then second digit of decimal part 0. Third digit of decimal part 4. Which one is smaller? 0 is smaller, 3 number and 4 number. So you will write in ascending order 4.004. Please write the sign. This crocodile's mouth always opens at bigger number. ठीक है? 4.04, then 4.4, then 4.404. Answers you can give in like decimals also or original question. Both are same. Now look at this one. 24, 2, 249, 2. So 24 and 249 are bigger number, 2 same, that is smaller. Whole number, this 2 and these 2 is small. So I will see the first digit after decimal 1, 1. Second digit after decimal 6, 7. So this one is smaller, 1 and 2. Now I will compare these two. So here whole number is 24, here whole number is 249. 3, 4. So let's arrange it. 2.163, then 2.17, 24.9, 249.7. Okay. Arrange in descending order. That means big to small. First I will write the biggest number, then smaller. Okay. So I will see the whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. Which whole number is the biggest? Yes, 3 is the biggest. This is very easy one. Then 2, then 1 and then 0. So this way you will arrange these numbers. Okay. So 3.1, now your crocodile's mouth will open at bigger number. This way you will arrange. Okay. Now look at these questions. Are they like terms? No, they are not like decimals. So first I will see how many digits after decimal. 1, 3, 2, 3. What is the maximum number of digits after decimal? 3. So I will make 3 digits. Now I will compare. Okay. So first whole number is 6, 6, 6, 6. All whole numbers are same. Then you will see the first digit 3, 1, 3, 3, 2. So 3 is bigger. So I will see 3 के बाद क्या है आपका 1, 0. Which one is bigger? 1. And this will come at second place. Then 6.127, 6.231. Which one is bigger? For the first place after decimal is 1, here 2. So this is at third place and fourth place. So 6.31, then 6.3, then 6.231, then 1, 2, 7. So this way you will arrange in descending order. Children, I hope you have understood. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.